Hey everyone, today we need to talk about Perplexity's latest antics in the AI world. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, there's always a new player pushing the boundaries of ethics and trust. Perplexity, a company aiming to revolutionize search with what they call an answer engine, seems to be making waves for all the wrong reasons. Instead of directing users to original sources, Perplexity serves up answers directly, starving content creators of their rightful ad revenue. They've even gone as far as creating entire articles based on aggregated content without proper attribution, sidestepping paywalls, and brushing off legal protections like robots. TXD. Their CEO, Aravind Srinivas, has tried to justify these actions, but it raises serious questions about their commitment to integrity. Recently, they've even dabbled in AI-generated content, blurring the line between fact and fiction. Look, aggregation isn't new, but Perplexity's scale and disregard for rules are unprecedented. They're not just breaking ground in technology, they're breaking trust, the very foundation that holds our internet together. So, where do we draw the line? Are users and investors willing to overlook these practices for the sake of innovation? It's a tough call, but one thing's for sure, Perplexity's approach is shaking up the industry in ways that demand a closer look. What are your thoughts on this? Drop them in the comments below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.